Hi everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I have brought you a delicious melt in your mouth marshmallow pudding. This dessert is incredibly tasty and perfect for you to try out this Christmas season. This recipe mainly needs 3 ingredients, so let's see what we need to get started. We need 3 egg whites, 10 gram of gelatin, 150 gram of sugar, a little vanilla and food coloring. First, we need to crack 3 eggs and carefully separate the egg whites. Next, take a half a cup of cool water and add the 10 gram of gelatin. Stir it well and set it aside to bloom. Now we are going to start beating our egg whites. We need to beat the egg whites until they form stiff, firm peaks. Now we are gradually add the 150 gram of sugar little by little while continuing to beat the mixture. Once that is done, we will add our gelatin. If your gelatin has become too thick, you can double boil it over hot water or put it in the microwave for 30 seconds on medium heat until the melt. Once melted, slowly pour the gelatin into the egg white mixture while continuously beating it again. Beat it well for about 2 minutes until it reaches this soft fluffy consistency. Be careful not to overmix it. Add 1 teaspoon of vanilla essence and again beating. Now we divide this mixture into 3 equal parts. Add green color to one part, add pink color to second part and mix. The white part will be mixed with some chopped tutti frutti, and the green part will mix with some chopped cashew. First take your dish. You can grease it lightly with butter and pour into the white mixture. Put in the freezer for just 1 minute. After 1 minute, add the green pudding mixture on top. Freeze that for another 1 minute. Finally, add the pink pudding mixture and gently smooth it out. To take it look beautiful, I am going to sprinkle the top with some more chopped cashew, a few pistachio, and some tutti frutti. Now we need to chill this in the fridge. Let it set properly for a minimum of 2 hours. After 2 hours, look, it easily it's come out of the dish. Now let's slice it into pieces. So try this delicious marshmallow pudding recipe and let me know how it turns out. Don't forget to share this video with your friends. Thank you so much for watching my video. See you next time. Bye.